everyone, this is Byron and Carrie, and we're here at 8789 Seneca Trail in Ronceverte, West Virginia. If you're a local, you'll also know this as Fairlea. We're going to show you around this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, plus there's an additional garage apartment with an additional bedroom and bathroom. So we will start out here. Now, we're going to start off with a rare find. This home is made of stone. It is gorgeous. It's all the way around, so it's not just a decorative, well, it is a decorative feature, but it's also the home itself. And then we're right here on Seneca Trail.
Yep.
All right,
Kroger is that way.
Kroger's right there. Yep. So this is zoned for commercial or real estate. We have people waving at us and honking their horn. All right, Byron, let us in. This is a great stone entryway here. We're gonna go right on in. This home was built in 1944. It has a ton of beautiful features that you'll find during that era. One of which are these hardwood floors that are been very well maintained. There is also a wood-burning stone fireplace there. And this is a very large, spacious living room, a great welcome. We're gonna head on up here and through this archway. I have several favorites, but I love a dining room with a fireplace. There is just something about it that makes it super special. And this one has a wood-burning fireplace. There's those nice bookshelves, nice table. It holds 6, but Byron, I think you could hold more, couldn't you?
Yeah, you could.
Yeah.
Sure. Especially if you had kids.
Yes, and we're gonna spin around here. So this area has a nice open concept between the kitchen and the dining room. As you can see there, there's room for bar seating. It has a granite countertop that is kind of black, brown, gray, a mixture of colors. It's beautiful. It complements the wood cabinetry very nicely here. So if you're a chef, you would be very comfortable in this area, and you can see everyone around you. There's a nice mature hydrangea out the window, and it looks like it might be a mountain laurel or rhododendron as well. So we'll give you a view out this way from your chef's domain. So that is a range top oven. And then Byron is standing in my morning coffee area.
Yes, this is one of my favorite spots in the house. I like the low ceiling here. I mean, you get your coffee, you're kind of cozy, like a little nook in here. And then you can look out the window.
Yes. All right, so we're gonna do a circle, and we're gonna show you, I guess the bedroom's kind of last, but we will come down just a couple of steps, and the laundry is conveniently located right here off of the kitchen. And if you've watched any of our videos, you will know that this is the sink. I was telling Byron earlier, the salesperson for that sink did a fabulous job because we have those concrete double basin sinks everywhere. I'm headed in. There is a 2-car garage. There's a nice long driveway. So you can go in and out with ease onto Seneca Trail. Nice double car. We will head this way. We'll be going up and around, and you are headed into the garage apartment. So you can access it through the sunroom and also through, go ahead, Byron.
Got lost.
Okay, so we are above the garage now, and this is a cozy little spot.
It feels like you're almost in a ski town.
Yeah.
Here.
So if you work from home, you could definitely use this as an income potential. But if you work from home, this would be a great spot because you're at home, but you feel completely away from everything. And as you can see, that's what they do here. And then this is the bedroom. So this would be kind of the living room and then the bedroom is through here. It has hardwood floors, real wood paneling, and these gabled. And we'll head back this way. And the kitchen is right here. As you can see, it's a little kitchenette. It has tile. And then it overlooks the roof of the sun of the house. And then, so nice efficiency kitchen. They used every nook and cranny for cabinetry or a use. And here is the bathroom. Additional closets. For the size of this space, they have definitely used every nook and cranny. And then there's a little shower here that's tile surrounded. Okay. So we'll head on down, and then we are going into what is my favorite room besides the dining room area. This is an enclosed sunroom. So it has the stone of the facade of the home. That's the back of the fireplace. You'll see in a minute, it leads into the living room. And then if you go through these doors, you'd be going into the kitchen. So they have it set up for, as you can see here, kind of casual sitting, dining, and then you overlook the backyard. You're on 1 acre here, and we'll point it out. I don't know that we'll go over there, but if you want to see it, we can show you further. That building right there has an outdoor fireplace, more storage. This is a really nice flat yard. So if you have children or pets, it's a great play space out there as far as ability. I would commandeer this as my green room / office space, but I love it how it is now. If I wasn't being selfish, I would keep it as is because the setup is amazing. So as you can see, just to get your bearings, the brown door is where we walked in at first, and then we went through that archway and we just did a big circle essentially. And I know this is not a feature of the home, but look at that coffee table. I mean, isn't that cool?
It is beautiful.
I love the shape of it.
I bet it's designed specifically for this room.
I bet so too. Okay, so we're gonna go through this other nice archway, and we're gonna go down to, it's just 2 steps when I say down. It's not like a flight of stairs. There's 2 bedrooms on this level. This one is being used right now as a den, or set up as a den. It has hardwood floors as well. They all have these nice wood casings around the windows. Give you a full view there. And then this has a shared bathroom with the bedroom next door. I like the tile work details.
And it has my dream tub.
Right there.
Perfect size for me. It's got a lot of areas to put things on the side.
Nice.
Just love it. I've never seen one like that. Have you?
Yeah, no, it's very unique. I've seen them where they're like half of that, but not that. It's like a square tub.
Yeah.
You don't find a square tub. But even in here, there's some storage above the toilet there, so that's nice. And then we're coming into the adjoining bedroom. It has wood floors in here as well. They've kept the natural wood. If you wanted to paint it, it still has a detail that you would see coming through. And all the doors that we're not showing you are closets. So there is tons and tons of closet space. One thing they did well in the 40s and 50s and 60s is have storage closet. They used every inch of every home for storage. And then look at this impressive stair rail there. That's like so big. It's amazing. It's like the size of a softball. All right, so there are 2 more bedrooms on this level, and then we will save what's to your left for last. So here is the third bedroom. These do have gabled ceilings, but they're very tall. So even though it's gabled, sometimes it's hard to tell in videos how tall it is, but you have nice height, so you're not feeling enclosed whatsoever. And then a bathroom that is the same as the one downstairs, just slightly smaller, but it has that tub that Byron loves. Nice sunlight. Look at all that natural light coming through here. And then it has the cool sinks. I like that they kept all the features from the era that it was built. If it's built well, just leave it, right? So I know one question that some folks will have is about road noise, especially since we're right on 219 here, or Seneca Trail. And in some of the rooms, you can hear it, especially on the front of the house, but in the back, you really don't hear the road noise at all. And if you were to update the windows, you would be fine, I think. All right, so this is a...
Yes. Oh, this is my most exciting feature here.
Yes.
A potential kid zone to me.
Yes.
Might be an office for Carrie.
No, I have my office downstairs in the green room.
Notice how many cubby areas there are.
Byron's trying to put me in the attic, y'all. What do you think of that? Leave a comment below for sure. So this is attic space, and it goes the full length of the house minus the bedrooms. So as you can see here, it has wood floor, and they're using it for storage. But look at all of this space.
It's so cozy up here.
It is. So I can extend in the pitch. I can extend my hand all the way up. So it has nice height in it. But yeah, so there you have it. If you want this home or any others to be yours, give us a call and like and subscribe for more videos.
Bye.
Bye.